We're bogging, man.
Bogging. So we finished our hike.
Yep.
And,
Aftermath is ice cream.
Yeah.
Put those calories
I
back on.
destroyed it.
Put those calories back on.
And Tori ate all my ice cream.
I did not.
Yep.
No, I didn't.
Yeah,
I don't eat ice cream for Lent.
Dude, she finished my milkshake. She finished my milkshake.
Did you get fries with that shake?
Yep. It was a large steak and she ate it.
Me and ice cream,
Yeah.
two things I'm not eating. I just decided to today, you know.
She's such a hypocrite.
Hip. Hypocrite.
Hip hop.
Not.
Hip hop anonymous.
Hip hop anonymous.
Ready, Freddy?
What?
Ready, Freddy?
My name's not Freddy.
Ready, Freddy?
My name's not Freddy.
Freddy?
My name's not Freddy.
Oh, come on, Freddy.
We saw a high population unicorn out there today, though. Really fun.
And wallabies.
Yep.
Lots of wallabies.
No, we didn't. No, we didn't.
Yeah, we did.
She tried to eat one of the unicorns. It was actually really disgusting.
Where are you going, Tori? Okay.
You got anything to say, Will?
No.